Hello and welcome to the Orbital Brick. In today's video, finally I got to do some more multi-rocket flying. And so here's the results of that. First we have my Estes Patriot on the C65. And immediately, nominal launch and lose track of the rocket. This is a common theme in every single launch I do. I can never actually keep track of the rocket. I think eventually I'll be able to catch it right as it's descending. Well, possibly. There we go. And of course there will be onboard footage later on in the video. None for this launch, but definitely some for the next launch. There we go. And alternative camera angle. And I mean that multiple ways, because some people don't realize you should hold your phone horizontally instead of vertically. Yeah, skipping ahead to descent. And yet another view. Yeah, here's my Estes Goliath on the B44. This will be a fairly low flight. As you can see, it's actually somewhat unstable. You saw very significant movement on the vehicle as it was under power. From a different angle, yeah, you can very much see there's some instability there that should be addressed for future flights. But the parachute deploys, and we can get some nice onboard footage. I actually turned the sound down to 50% for all the onboard footage segments.
3, 2, 1. Oh no.
And now here is my Estes Orbital Transport D12-5. Immediately lose track of it. But then fairly quickly you can see we're about. I'm actually not sure what part of the flight that was, but from another camera angle you can actually see it. And you can see the glider start to do its own thing, since the gimmick of this rocket is it has a detachable glider. You can see the two lands separately. And here's onboard footage from the glider. And you can get some views of the rocket field there. And here's the next launch from a different camera angle. And yeah, this has a very different perspective of the launch, and you can more clearly see when the glider separates. And you can see it just doing a circle around the descending rocket. And from closer up,
Okay, trying to see the glider.
you can see the glider doing its trajectory.
Oh, well, that's a...
And here's the onboard footage from that launch. You can actually briefly see the parachute there as it was deploying. There we go. And now, we still have another camera angle here. After this is going to be a pretty eventful flight.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I guess we still have more perspectives on this launch. But yes, this is my Estes Multi-Roc on a B-44.
Alright.
It's a new rocket for you. And here's the thing, it has a very small glider with it. It will be very difficult to find in the very tall grass you can see. It also didn't help it fell directly straight down. And whilst the actual rocket itself is recovered mostly intact, the nose cone somehow randomly vanished. Yeah, the glider is completely lost. And so as a result of this, and just again general difficulty in finding it and losing the nose cone, this likely will be the only time you ever see this rocket being flown. And yeah, efforts to recover the glider were unsuccessful. Yeah, I enjoy doing these videos. I'm not sure if they're enjoyable to watch, but I still hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.